Chainsaw Man Chapter 187 release date and time. Chainsaw Man Chapter 187 is scheduled to be released on Wednesday, December 18, 2024, at midnight, JST, in Japan. The chapter will be dropped worldwide on Tuesday, December 17, 2024. The time of the chapter's release can differ from region to region. Fans can utilize the following table to know the exact time of release. Time zone. Local date and time. Pacific Standard Time. 7 a.m., Tuesday, December 17, 2024. Eastern Standard Time. 10 a.m., Tuesday, December 17, 2024. Greenwich Mean Time. 3 p.m., Tuesday, December 17, 2024. Central European Time. 4 p.m., Tuesday, December 17, 2024. Indian Standard Time. 8:30 p.m., Tuesday, December 17, 2024. Philippine Standard Time. 11 p.m., Tuesday, December 17, 2024. Japanese Standard Time. 12 a.m., Wednesday, December 18, 2024. Australia Central Time. 1:30 a.m., Wednesday, December 18, 2024.